welcome to Adelaide. So the audio might not be too much chop, I'm just doing this straight into the phone, but I'm here in Adelaide just for the day and I've just finished doing 2 talks at the local user group. The 2 talks were on autonomous database, because obviously that's the thing on everyone's lips at the moment, and the latest and greatest new features in the Oracle database. I covered some 12.2 stuff because people are moving often to 12.2, and some 18c and some 19c stuff as well. After those 2 talks were finished, we had a bit of Q&A and a few beers. And then I came back here, and one of the things that struck me was one of the attendees came up to me and said, so this is your job, is it? Your job is to try get people onto autonomous and try get people to move to the latest versions. And I said, well, no, that's actually not my job at all. And don't get me wrong, there are plenty of people in each of the field offices around the world in Oracle who are very well trained up in the latest features and how to help customers move from on-premise to the cloud, or take advantage of some of the autonomous offerings. We have plenty of people for that, but that's not actually what my job is. I'm actually part of a database advocate team led by Stephen Feuerstein, and I'll put a link in the description below to our site, which sort of gives us an overview of who's on the team and what our job is. But I thought I'd touch on it here. Our job is not to get people moving to the latest version. It's not trying to get people onto autonomous. Our job is actually unrelated to any particular version, technology, etc. All we care about is database in general, the Oracle database in general. And in particular, our sole remit is pretty simple: customer success, to make you guys more successful with the Oracle database. That's it. That's all we care about doing, because don't get me wrong, there isn't some sort of overwhelming philanthropic principle here. It's fairly obvious that if you are more successful with your Oracle database, then Oracle will be more successful with their Oracle database. We will both prosper. It's a win-win. And there's so much technology in the Oracle database that as I go around the world talking at conferences and just meeting customers directly, what I find is the functionality that's there available is often vastly underutilized, and people aren't exploiting it as well as they could be. And so that's why we have this database advocate team, to help you be more successful with your use of the Oracle database technology. So if you're on the latest version of the Oracle database, we can help you get the most out of it. But if you're on, say, version 11 of the Oracle database, we can help you get the most out of that as well, or version 10 or version 9. We really don't care. We just want to make you succeed with the Oracle database and whatever related technology you have associated with the Oracle database, whether you're connecting to it with Python or JavaScript or SQLnet or just using PL/SQL, all those related technologies that are hooked into the database, we want to try help you succeed with them as well. And when I say successful, I don't just mean the advocate team will go to conferences and they will go to user groups. We do that. But we want to do more than that. If you want to reach out to us directly and maybe even organize on-site time if geographically that's appropriate or possible, it may be the case that we need to hit you for the cost of an airfare, but we will happily try get to your worksite, even if you want us to help you work through any problems you have with the Oracle database, or even if you want to see if you can exploit it more fully, even if you're currently happy with it, and most people are, even if you want to take that to the next level and see what other ways you can get to exploit the benefits of the database, we're happy to reach out and help you. So whether it's through the office hours program, I'll put a link in the description below, or reaching out to us directly via Twitter or email, or just coming up and saying hi at the next user group event that you're at that we happen to be at, remember that we are here to try and make you more successful with the Oracle database. And if we can do that, then we all win. So please reach out and utilize us. We're here to help.